Hello, my name is Sabia from Oldham Volkswagen, and today I'll be walking you through this approved used Volkswagen. This is the Volkswagen Caravelle Diesel Estate Executive 2.0 TDI 150 PS, and it currently has around 31,500 miles on the clock with 2 previous owners. And it comes painted in the stunning deep black pearl metallic finish, which looks absolutely fantastic with the VW badge detail that's in the front and the rear of the vehicle. And here with our stunning black alloy wheels that really do complement the exterior finish very well while offering a very stylish look to the van. And to minimise risk of damaging the vehicle in any way, the powerful ring mirrors do fully unlocked. And as we access the boot, you'll notice we're a fantastic and spacious boot size with our lashing rings across the surface of the floor, and you can also maximise your boot capacity by pulling the seats forward. And you have your electric tailgate, which will come in handy when you've got your hands full. Following on, you have your electric twin sliding doors, revealing a lovely and comfortable interior. As you can see, we have our ISOFIX wallets on these seats as well, and you have 3 extra seats at the back with plenty of legroom, offering your passengers that comfortable journey. And in the centre, we have our adjustable table that will benefit your passengers, allowing them to feel at home as you have cup holders and a table and other functionalities. And as we access the front of the van directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed van filled with fantastic features, starting with a driver's seat which is fit with an armrest, offering you and your passengers that relaxing driving experience. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip, and we do have our automatic headlights there, ensuring they're always in their correct times, alongside the wind controls on the driver's door handle, and just above the steering wheel we do have a cup holder and plenty of storage space. Once this fantastic van comes to life, we can now gain access to a dashboard display where we can view key information here like our mileage, whilst we're on the move, and we do have our assist systems featuring adaptive cruise control, allowing to maintain a safe and steady speed whilst travelling on the motorway. Over to the infotainment screen with a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Heading to our App Connect, this offers the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and our MirrorLink, allowing us to access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music and Google Maps navigation. Speaking about navigation, this incredible detailed display will keep you on track to your stated destination on the best possible route, and we can also show the small cluster, making it easy and safe for us to use while having an island view of the road ahead. And with this van, you do get your park pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the front and rear sensors along with the rear view camera ensure safety, especially manoeuvring out those busy places like shopping centres where parking can be really tight. And finally, over to our climate controls, you'll notice we have many options available here for you and your passengers to enjoy, including your front heated seats with 3 different levels of heating to choose from, offering that cosy driving experience. This vehicle has a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance and warranty. For more information, get in touch on 0161 667 8330 or inquire online now.